Day 2 part 3 of the customization on the XG7 water block. Let's check out the setup on how I'm going to spray paint this XG7 water block. So I have 2 pieces of styrofoam, 1 on each side, and I got 2 shish kebab skewers. Yes, I am Persian, so I have a ton of these laying around in my house. So I put 1 on each side of the styrofoam, and I placed the XG7 water block on top of that, minimizing any kind of contact with the styrofoam or this mat on the table. Now I know before you guys sound off in the comments, to all my professional painters out there, I am no professional painter. This is what I got, so I'm working with what I got, so just keep that in mind. Now for the paint, I am using a Rust-Oleum high heat. This is a tough enamel. It is white and it's high heat, so no matter how hot the card is gonna get, the paint won't melt off or have any issues with it. I've used this in the past, never had an issue. And one more thing, if you have any kind of bird or hummingbird feeder, cover this up, because the poor bastards didn't ask for any kind of poisoning because you want to customize your water block. So let's get into it and let's start spray painting this XG7. We managed to get the first coat on the XG7 water block pretty nice, and it's looking already promising. So I'm gonna wait about 15 minutes, add another coat, and then wait another 15 minutes and apply the last coat. So once that's finished, the water block, the front plate of the water block should be good and ready to go, and then we can start on the terminals and the back plate. But I'm already getting excited. Taking a look at the final product, and mayday, we have landed, because this is looking frosty. Excellent job if I don't say so myself. Terminals painted white, both of them, and the back plate. Tomorrow we'll be tearing down the 4090 and getting it ready.